everybody, and welcome to this little flip through of my Taglet. That's a booklet made of tags. I think it was Judy that called it that first. It's a fabulous name, so here it is anyway. It's held together with a metallic, I don't know, bulldog clip, I guess you'd call it. And this is the front page. It's got flowers and Tim Holtz to die for, and a little tag that goes in there. And the theme sort of recurring throughout it is mushrooms, or I guess more properly toadstools, and flowers. So there's my mushrooms, there's my flowers, and a number. So that just pops into there. And here's page 2, which is this lady. She's just, oh, you've got to have a look at expression. I can't explain it. You need to see it to see what I mean. Anyway, there she is. I've embossed her dress with fossilised amber, a couple of tickets, some flowers, and she stands alone. She's lovely. Then this page with a little tag in it, a number, some mushrooms, and that slides into there. And then this page, a little side pocket with half a ticket on. I just kind of like that. Some red numbers, a mushroom, a number, a couple of tickets in there. This one, a pocket, the flower, the mushroom, little tag. And this one, which is the mushroom, the flowers, and it's just a side little tuck really. Pocket with the flowers, the number and the ticket held on. They're used a brad to hold them together, but not over onto the back side. Oh, I have put it onto the back side, but it's not sharp or anything. Definitely not. You won't catch yourself on that. So that just slides into there. Then this one, which is the funniest one, I think, is this guy, and he's just stopped for a rest for a second. I'll just sit down. I'll perch on this toadstool. So yeah, that's him. This one with the toadstool and the two tickets there. This one, the toadstool and a tag. This is paper from a paper pad, a Tim Holtz paper pad, and I just honestly couldn't think how I could make it any better. So all I did was emboss the butterflies, and they really stand out. They're lovely, and I've put some stamps around it just to bring it to life a little bit more. This page, it's got the flower, the toadstools, some of my faux sellotape that I showed you how to make, and a little tag there. That just slides into there, and the ticket comes over the top. Then here we've got a round pocket with a couple of little pieces of ephemera in, the toadstool, and then on the back we've got this couple. And I don't know why, but I feel this is their wedding day. I really do. I think, you know, after the marriage, and she's had a white dress on and everything, and they used to go away. I remember my auntie, etc. Oh, she's got her going away clothes. So after the bridal dress was taken off, they put on their smartest, bestest clothes because they were off on the honeymoon. And I think that's what these two are doing. I've no idea why I think that, but I do. So there's my little taglet. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There's 7 pages, so it's 14 pages back and front. I wouldn't say it's the world's best thing to journal in, but it's really nice to look at. So there you have it. Let me just clip it back closed again. There we are. And it's just a nice little thing to hold and to look through. So thanks for joining me. I'll see you soon. Bye.